This is Snook. This is a falls by us, a waterfall, and it's been really, really cold here, so everything froze. And today was the first really warm day, and it's, well, not really warm, but warmer, so it's starting to thaw. So, try to get a picture of the whole thing for you. And we'll keep going. This is the little downtown area that they built over the years. There's this is what my little town is named after. Actually, not these exact falls, but close enough. But this looks beautiful. But right on the back side of me is urban sprawl, unfortunately. This was what I wanted to show you the other day, and I of course didn't know how to run my phone. So, but I think it's beautiful. I hope you do too. Let's see if I can zoom in. How do I do that? I don't know. The little thingy was up and now I don't know how. So, anyway, those are, well, how do you, oh, there it is. So, alright. I'm waiting for him to fall through. I'm not going there, I don't think. Okay, so we walked down under the bridge, and here it is closer. So let me see if I can zoom in even more. Yeah. See, we're in the bowl now. My husband went first though. Because I didn't want it to fall in again. There he goes. Wave hi. Don't you fall. All right, have a wonderful day.